traditional Microsoft Office licensing and our Microsoft 365 licensing. So first of all, our traditional licensing that you go buy at Best Buy or something like that, it's a one-time purchase. There's also no upgrade option. So if you want to upgrade to the latest and greatest features of Word or Excel or PowerPoint, you have to then buy a new license. Microsoft 365, on the other hand, is subscription based. That could be either monthly or yearly, and it's always up to date. So anytime there's new improvements to the applications from Microsoft, you just automatically get those updates and those new efficiencies that are built in there. One of those things that we see right now is AI. So with your traditional one-time purchase of Microsoft Office, you do not have any of the artificial intelligence benefits that are built in and integrated with all the apps. The other piece of it as well is you only get like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, get Outlook and OneNote. So it's nice, but you don't get that full suite of applications that we'll kind of be going over here today. And then also, of course, you don't get the artificial intelligence benefit with Copilot that's built into Outlook and Teams and really all the applications throughout Microsoft. And you'll see that here in a little bit. Also, a big piece is no cloud storage. So you don't have the ability to use OneDrive and SharePoint with that traditional one-time purchase licensing of the Microsoft Office, which is very beneficial. It can keep you from having to use thumb drives or buy external hard drives. And then you have to keep track of those things, of course. And then also, one key piece of this is you can get to that information anywhere at any time. And, Paul will be talking about that as well. And with your Microsoft 365 subscription, you get 1 terabyte of cloud storage. So it's plenty of storage for a majority of people, and you can access it anytime, anywhere.